planning a trip to Kamaya Coast? This vlog is your ultimate travel guide. We only had one day to explore the resort, so we made sure to experience as much as we could. We'll be sharing everything you need to know before visiting Kamaya Coast. So make sure to watch until the end. Kamaya Coast is a beach resort located in Mariveles, Bataan. It's known for its relaxing beach vibes, beautiful mountain views, and fun water activities. We book our trip directly through the Kamaya Coast website. When booking, you can choose between a day tour or an overnight stay. And depending on availability, you may also have the option to travel either by ferry or by land using your own vehicle. In our case, we booked our day tour via ferry, which cost 1,500 per person. For comparison, the day tour rate for guests arriving with their own vehicle was only 299 pesos per person. We originally wanted to book an overnight stay, but unfortunately, all rooms were already fully booked at that time. We made a reservation about 1 week before our scheduled trip, so if you're planning to stay overnight, I would recommend booking at least a month in advance, especially during peak season. Our trip took place in May. As of the time I'm recording this video, I checked their website again and noticed that they are currently offering tours via land only. So it's always a good idea to check their latest rates and available travel options before planning your trip.
Magkano bilhin niyo dito?
Parang 400 lahat.
Ito may bacon. Kasi may bacon tong iba. May tinda silang rice meal.
May mga rice.
Silog.
Asin yung soyo ba? Dito po si Ilay. Ano pa? Yoshiko. Ito, tatlo kami. 1, 2, 3.
Before booking this trip, we did a little research and found out that the first people to get off the ferry are usually the ones seated at the left side near the entrance. But sadly, we arrived a bit late at the ferry port. So when we got on the ferry, all the seats on the first floor, which was air-conditioned, were already taken and some were even reserved. We ended up sitting on the second floor deck, which was open air and not air-conditioned. But honestly, it still turned out great because we got to take some really nice photos upstairs with a beautiful view before the ferry left the port. Since we only booked a day tour, we had limited time at Kamaya Coast, so we really wanted to make the most out of our stay. We found out that they offer lockers where you can leave your extra things, like clean clothes to change into after swimming. We also brought an aqua bag so we could safely carry our phones, gadgets, and wallets while roaming around the area.
Pang swimming mo, nandito na rin. Dito na rin.
Ito na nga lahat.
Bali, yung para pagbaba natin, yung ilalagay na lang sa locker.
So while waiting for our departure at the port, our plan was to prepare the things we would need while roaming around the coast and put them inside our aqua bag. That way, as soon as we arrive at the coast, we could go straight to the shower or bathroom area to change into our swimming clothes. Then head to the locker right beside it to deposit our things right away.
Ewan ko, medyo nakakahilo nga yun. Medyo nahihilo rin ako.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard MVX GC Voyager.
Eksaktong 7 yung departure. Harper's Ferry.
Nakakahilo.
Pwede naman palang buksan to.
Para makita mo yung
Itong pintana. Ang expected time of arrival ay 9 a.m. sa Kamaya Coast. So about 2 hours ang biyahe. Umalis kami doon mga 7,
compare sa ilang hours to kapag by land.
6 hours. Pero may option naman ino-offer nila. May option naman na mag-DIY, di ba? I mean, own vehicle papunta ron.
Pwede.
Pero so far, okay ka naman.
Okay na ako nung binuksan yung bintana.
Itong ating basic needs for the day. Inhaler. Yung may hiluhin kayo sa biyahe, kakailanganin nyo to. Okay naman yung CR nila malinis. Tapos, mas mas ramdam yung alon dun sa baba kaysa dito sa taas. So, mas better dito yung upo mo kapag ka medyo sensitive ka sa alon.
Saka yung hangin dito, natural.
Mas fresh yung hangin. Tayo unang bumaba, madam. Nasa taas. Baka nag-aano sila, nag-schedule sila or alternate. Depende sa araw.
Pwede na yan. Wala akong
So yung mga nasa sa taas nung ferry ang unang bumaba. Ang expected kasi namin, yung mga nasa baba ang unang bababa. Eh kami yung pinauna. Kaya kami rin yung unang makakarating doon. Hindi. May mga ano siya, mayroon siyang transportation service. Tayong mga ano lang is maglalakad. Dahil malipat na.
baka pwede tayo makisakay.
Okay lang po ba? Yun.
Okay. Ano yung anong gagawin?
Pani.
Morning po! Welcome po! Thank you po.
The co-store. Sunscreen. Madam, ano na ako doon sa inflatable. So ngayon, kakababa lang namin ng ferry and may mabait na nasakyan namin papaloob. Pero usually, lalakarin from ferry docking area papasok dito sa loob. Since maghiwalay kami ni Madam, siya yung pupunta agad sa locker dahil nagkakaubusan daw ng locker dito. Ako naman, dediretso na ako sa inflatable. Papalista na ako na magpapa-schedule na ako ng inflatable para ano tayo sa pila-pila. Pero nakapaglibot kanina mukhang hindi naman ganun ka-crowded, walang masyadong tao. Titignan natin kung ano yung mga time na available na pwede na. Kasi sa ngayon, 9:30 mag-aalas 10 na. Walang tao sa inflatable. Bakit kaya? Baka dahil sa init. Bukod sa inflatable, ayan, inflatable sa dagat. Meron din dito. Sir, saan magpapalista dun para sa inflatable?
Sa white and blue na po sa tapat ng mga bike.
Ay, saan po?
Sir,
White and blue na booth. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Doon magpapalista. Magpapalista na rin tayo sa kayaking. Yan na yung inflatable sa tapat niyan. Dito sa may mga bikes daw. Diyan tayo magpapalista. Anong tawag dyan? Bouncing pool. Dito na ata yun. Ma'am, papalista po para sa inflatable?
Magkakayos din po ba?
Opo.
May preferred time po?
Pwede na po ba ngayon na? Or,
For the kayak, sir, ilan ba kayo, sir?
dalawa, yung magkakaya.
10 a.m. po yung earliest, then inflatable po 10:30.
10:30. Anong oras?
9:45 po.
Ayun yan, sige. Mag 10:30 sa inflatable.
I-get nyo yung 10 a.m. for the kayak, sir.
Ano yung next time for kayak? After 10?
Ano po? Every 13 minutes yun, sir.
Every 30?
10:30, then 11:30.
Sa meron din siyang ganun. Sa inflatable?
May pagitan din siya, sir.
Every 30 minutes din.
Earliest po sa inflatable, 10:30. Next po nun is 11:15.
Okay. 45 to 30 minutes.
So, kung kukunin nyo si 10:30 na inflatable, pwede natin i-move yung kayak nyo ng 11. Para after inflatable na po.
Sige. Ganun na
Yan
lang.
na po ba? Or yung 10 a.m. po?
10 a.m. sa kayak.
Yan na lang po.
10 a.m. tapos 10:30 sa inflatable po. Thank you po.
Then, tatlo po for inflatable.
Up.
This one is for inflatable, sir. And for the kayak. Proceed na lang po for yung time slot, sir. Doon po sa my lifeguard po.
Okay.
Ay na po, sir.
Thank you. Ito meron din silang towel rental, 50 pesos. Sir, miss, may tanong lang din po ako. May limit po ba kada time slot? Na
Limit,
maximum
30
numbers?
minutes po.
I mean, ng
Person,
parang,
sir?
oo.
For the inflatable, sir, 80 person. For
Marami
kayak po,
rin.
3 person every 1 kayak po. 2 to 3 person yun.
Pero sa case po namin, pwede kami tig-isa ng kayak. O dapat
Bali,
tig-isa.
1 kayak lang yun, sir, for 3 people po. Pwede kayo,
Ah.
sir, mag-request hanggang 2 kayak lang po.
Thank you. Thank you po. So, ayun nga. May limit yung kayak. At least 2 yung magkakayak. Di pwedeng tig-isa. Pero okay na din for the experience. So naghanap ako ng bottled water. Bottled water nila, 70 pesos daw ang pinakamura. So medyo wala kasi silang convenience store dito, puro restaurant. So yung mga restaurant may mga nagtitinda ng mga bottled water. Pero ang sabi ni Kuya kanina, kung meron naman daw tumbler, pwedeng magpa-refill sa kanila ng tubig.
There's also a drinking water station available in the resort, which is really helpful, especially on a hot day. So whenever you get thirsty while exploring the area, you can simply refill your bottle or tumbler there.
Let's go! Inflatable pool, inflatable island. Ano ba talaga? Makikita ba umakyat? Ito may lubot siguro yan sa pare ko. Let's go! Parang itong slide. Mahirap dyan. Okay, ready? Time check, siguro mga nasa 11:30 na. Tapos na kami dito sa kayak. Dito sa inflatable. May lifeguard naman. So, at naka-life vest naman, so mukhang safe naman. So, masaya naman. So, dito ngayong half day, yun yung mga nagawa namin. Half day naman, sa pool na tayo. Pupuntahan natin lahat-lahat ng pool. Sir, magkano sa banana boat? Per head. May oras yun, sir.
50 minutes, apat na yun.
Pero yung schedule po niya,
May oras.
At,
Pwede kayo magpa...
anong earliest time po? Earliest. Pwede na ngayon. 4:04. Thank you, sir. Thank you po. So, ngayon, magla-lunch kami. Pero basa. Tatanong natin kung nag-aalaw sila na mag-dine-in kahit basa. Tapaking? Saan yung tapaking?
For lunch, we ended up eating at Pancake House. We originally considered Tapa King, but their dining area is al fresco, and since we had just come from the beach, we preferred somewhere indoors where we could cool down and relax. And they were kind enough to let us dine inside even though we were still a bit wet.
White sand meron doon, ako. Pero bakit pagdating dito, hindi siya white sand? Kita nyo ba? Hindi siya white sand ng beach. Beach swimming area. Oo. Hindi naman Makati nga. Kasi may mga dagat na Makati eh. Ang liguan ko pa. Pero dito okay naman siya.
Alam mo pa, kung nakaabot na yung bata, nakita mo yung sa ate hanggang bewang pa rin, nandun na siya.
Mababa nga lang dito. Ay, may golf town pa pala oh. 19 Infinity Pool.
The Infinity Pool is located near the beach, but it's tucked away in quieter part of the resort. Because of its location, the area feels more peaceful and less crowded, making it a great place to relax. The atmosphere here is really calm and relaxing.
Meron pang aqua fun.
Kamaya Coast also has a water park adventure called Aqua Fun. It's a fun attraction that's perfect for both kids and adults who want to enjoy slides, pools, and other water activities. Aqua Fun is located on top of a hill, so it's a bit far from the main beach area. To get there, you'll need to take 2 rides. First, you'll ride the mini train that takes guests from the beach area to the resort entrance. Then from the entrance, you'll transfer to a shuttle that will bring you directly to Aqua Fun. The trip takes a little time, but it's definitely worth it if you're looking for more fun activities during your visit.
So before entering, may QR ulit. Then, after QR, papapasokin na. Next naman natin itatry na slide. Ito medyo mahaba-haba to. 3, go!
Kaya itong giant slide na to. Extreme! Ngayon naman, dito naman tayo sa Pambanga.
Paano yun ah? Ano mas gusto mong slide? Yung etong paikot o di kaya yung sa kanya?
Ay, slide! Hindi yung doon sa baba. Yung slide, ito mas gusto ko kasi mas extreme yun. Ikaw, ito. Mga ano to, extreme. Lalo na yung pababa. Walang store dito, no?
Wala. Alas naman na.
Ha?
Alas naman na. Pwede naman tayo pumunta dun sa mga.
Yun lang ang ano dito. Walang dito sa taas. Dito sa aqua. Wala mabibil na yung pagkain. Kaya dapat merong bang tubig kahit tubig lang. Tumbler. Pero yun, marami kasing slide dito ng ibang bata. Yung pang-adult. Extreme na slide. Pero yun yung kainan. Parang wala akong nakitang kainan. May hotel dito eh. Inan kaya yan. Dali. Putok to. Ito lang yung matagal dito, no? And that's it for our Camara Coastal adventure. Overall, we had a great time exploring the resort, trying out the different activities, and enjoying the beautiful beach views. Even though we only stayed for a day, we were able to experience a lot and make some wonderful memories. I hope this vlog helped you plan your own trip to Camara Coast and gave you an idea of what to expect, how much to budget, and some tips to make your visit more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides, tips, and destination reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.